Bitrix24 CRM tutorial, the best free CRM software. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you everything about Bitrix24 CRM. I'll show you how you can use Bitrix24 for your CRM. You will be able to create leads, deals, contacts, and companies. You will get online payments, sales automation, and much more. So let's get into it. First of all, you will go to bitrix24.com and you will land on this website right here. You can actually get started for free with Bitrix24. So we're going to focus on the CRM part. Bitrix24 is also a collaboration platform. It also is a project management software. It also allows you to create a website, and it also deals in HR and automation. So we will focus on the CRM part today. You're going to select CRM here and click on Start for Free. The registration process is really easy. You just can sign up with your Facebook. We have our Google account, Apple ID, or you can sign up with your email address. So after the initial sign up or sign into your Bitrix24, this is where you will get. This is my CRM dashboard on Bitrix24. So let me show you around. First of all, you can see we have this menu right here that opens up the all of different tools available. We have CRM here. We have inventory management, marketing, sites and stores. We have tasks and projects. Then we have collaboration. In collaboration, we will be getting feed, we will be getting calendars, we have Bitrix Drive, webmail, and more. Then we have company, automation, applications, and then we have more as well. So here I will be able to create deals, we can create customers, sales, and more. So let me show you how to create a deal. You're gonna click on create and it will open up the window for you where we can create a new deal. In order to create a new deal on Bitrix24, we will have to enter the name. So let's call it Deal 1. Then we have to enter an amount and currency. So in USD, let's say it's a 10,000 deal. Then we have to select the stage for the deal. So it's a new deal that we are creating. Then we can select a deadline or an end date for our deal. Then we have the contact section right here that will allow me to enter a contact here, or I can actually go ahead and create a new contact as well. Click on save and your new deal will be created. You can see now the deal has been created and we're getting a lot of different options on Bitrix24. So with deal 1, I have different products now that I can add to this deal. Let's add a new product. So I'm going to click on add product and let's create one. For instance, with this deal, we are also giving away some of the classes. So I'm just going to go ahead and call it the online sessions, and then I can enter a price here. We can enter quantity and amount. So the price is going to be $30 for one piece, and here we have it. So we can calculate it automatically, or we can also do it manually. We can create a product here very easily. Just click on add product and it will be created. So you can see I created this product now. It's $30. It depends on how many pieces I will be going for, and then we have the amount. So this is how you can add a product for a deal. Then we have quotes, of course, that we can add. We have automation. Now, automation plays an important part in Bitrix24 because it is an automation platform as well. So if you want to automate your work, then you will be able to do so with the automation here. Then we have invoices. You can create professional invoices with Bitrix24. You don't need any other platform. Bitrix24 is an all-in-one platform that gives you all of these different options so that you can create invoices within. You have different types of automation options. Then we have a market, and then we can also create the products. Here we can see we have call option, we have mail option, settings, and documents. So I'm going to close this deal, the one that we just created, and all of these settings will be saved. Similarly, I can navigate to the marketing now, and I will be able to actually create different marketing strategies. I'll be able to create campaigns. We can create email campaign with Bitrix24. We have SMS campaigns, we have messages, we have voice broadcasting, we have audio call, Google AdWords, and more. So this is where the whole marketing will work within your Bitrix24. Similarly, we have collaboration. Within collaboration, we have feed and we have chat on calls. You will also be getting your own calendar here. And then in automation, we have a whole application marketplace as well that will allow me to add integrations too. If I take you to company right here, this is where you will be creating different customers and companies. So in order to create a new department or to invite users, you're going to click on add department. Let's say I want to create a new department for HR. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it the name. Then we have a parent department. So the parent is going to be the Bitrix, let's say. Click on add and a new department will be created within your Bitrix24. And after that, I will be able to add different team members into my company. So you can see the main parent company is this, and then we have an HR department, we have an accounts department, we have a marketing department, and we have a sales department. Now what I can do is I can open up the HR department and I'll be able to add different people right here. So this is how it works. It gives you your company structure right here. I can go to employees and it will show me the users that I have added to Bitrix24. So Bitrix24 is a really good CRM platform if you're looking for your customer relation for your business. To invite employees to Bitrix24, all you need to do is just go to the company option here, click on invite employees, and then you can enter their email address to invite them. So it's really easy. Within our company, we will be getting the times and reports. We have a knowledge base, we have video conferencing, and more. There are different options that are not available in the free version of Bitrix. Although a lot of different tools are available, but let me actually show you the pricing plan so you will have a better idea about the affordability of the platform. So this is the pricing for Bitrix24. You can see we have a free plan, which is 100% free. It gives us 5 GB of storage. We have chat, we have calendar, feed, and more. Then we have a basic for 5 users, and it's going to be $49 per month. Then we have one for 50 users, which is going to be $99 per month. And then we have a professional plan for 100 users, and it's going to be $199 per month. So you can see with each plan, of course, you will be getting more features. But even with the free version, we are getting a CRM here. We are getting the Drive. So it's a pretty good CRM platform for free that you can use. So if I take you back to our main menu on Bitrix24, you can see we can create work groups here. And then we can click on more and it will show me the subscription. And then we have settings and we have, of course, the hide option. Within our sites and stores, I can actually go ahead and create website or a landing page with Bitrix24. So it's an all-in-one platform and we can use it for free, which is amazing. We can create sites with Bitrix24.sites and it will allow me to even create an online store. But if we talk about the CRM here, within our CRM, again, we can create the leads, we can create the deals, we can create the contacts, we have invoices that we can create payouts, we have reports that we get, we have inventory, we have customers. Within the customer, I'll be able to create a task, I'll be able to send emails and more. So you can see when I created a deal, now I have different, statuses. And once a deal is in, let's say I have to create an invoice, so I'll just drag and drop it. We have these sections already created for us, and I can also customize it completely as I like. So you can just like click right here on the plus button and add a new section to your leads. Similarly, we're getting the option of notifications here, and we also have our bot available to help us with the automation and more. So Bitrix24 is a really good platform that you should check out. There are a lot of different options available on Bitrix. So you can sign up for free and check it out yourself, and you will be able to make an informed decision if this is the platform for your business or not. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.